Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our journey of spiritual exploration. I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. If you missed our last episode, we delved into the Ascension of Jesus Christ. Today we're continuing the divine narrative, unfolding the remarkable events of Pentecost. 40 days after the resurrection, a pivotal moment took place on the Mount of Olives. Jesus gathered his disciples and delivered a profound message. He instructed them to remain in Jerusalem, promising the imminent arrival of the Holy Spirit, a source of power and courage. Imagine the anticipation in the air as they waited, obedient to his command. Then, as Jesus blessed them, he vanished into the clouds, leaving the disciples in awe and wonder. The disciples obediently stayed in Jerusalem, united in purpose, and then on the 10th day it happened. The Holy Spirit descended upon them like tongues of fire, granting them power and the ability to speak in diverse languages. Picture this, a diverse crowd, each person hearing the disciples' teachings in their own language. The unity and power of the Holy Spirit transcended cultural barriers. Peter, standing among the disciples, seized the moment to proclaim the teachings of Jesus Christ. Can you believe it? 3,000 hearts were moved to believe in him that very day. Pentecost, the 50th day after Christ's resurrection, became a day of celebration, marking the descent of the Holy Spirit and the birth of a vibrant community of believers. Friends, Pentecost is not just a historical event, it's a living, breathing testament to the transformative power of faith and unity. Before we wrap up, let's ponder some questions together. What does the resurrection mean to you? How about the Ascension? And here's a thought-provoking one. How does the Holy Spirit empower us today? Thank you for joining me on this spiritual journey. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share the love. Until next time, stay blessed.